When someone next to you yawns, bam, you yawn too. Why? Because your brain is saying, wake up. Yawning is like your brain's air conditioner. If you're hot, it cools you down. If you're sleepy, it wakes you up. And yes, it's contagious. If you see someone yawning, run, or you'll be like, yawn. You wouldn't believe it, but it's related to empathy. Even a cat can make you yawn. So don't be mad at yourself for yawning. Your brain might actually be saving you. For more fun facts like this, follow us and do your brain a favor.